my channel Samarah World. Today I am going to tell you about organ system. Our organ system work together to perform a task. This is called an organ system. Our body has different organ system. Each organ system has a fixed work. All the organ system in our body work with harmony and balance with one another. They are controlled by our brain. Let us learn about them. Our circulatory system carries blood to all the parts of our body. The circulatory system is made of heart, blood and blood vessels. Breathing system. Our breathing system is also called a respiratory system. Lungs, nose and windpipe help us in breathing. We breathe oxygen that enters through our nose and reaches the lungs through the windpipe. Digestive system. Our digestive system helps us digest the food we eat. Our digestive system is made of mouth, food pipe, stomach, large intestine and small intestine and anus. Friends, there are also some other types of organ systems like skeletal system, muscular system, nervous system and reproductive system. If you like my video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.